These days, everyone is becoming more interested in their health. We're learning that some of the ways we've been handling our personal health care have been causing side effects with lasting consequences. So more and more people are seeking modern, safer solutions. Introducing the coMra Palm, the future of personal health care. The coMra Palm is a drug-free pain relief device that aids in tissue regeneration and whole body conditioning. The regenerative effects of the coMra Palm are non-toxic and non-invasive. Use it to treat areas of inflammation, sore joints, and muscles. Merging 3 proven therapeutic modalities, infrared laser, magnetism, color light, in one coherent energetic vortex that restores the healthy balance in the organism. It helps you get immediate relief from pain and supports you on the road to lasting health. It's safe for long-term treatment of a wide variety of chronic medical conditions and inflammatory disorders such as fibromyalgia, circulatory problems, nerve degeneration, migraines, sinusitis, and asthma, as well as many other common conditions. It also is used to support the immune system, central nervous system, blood system, endocrine glands, and other internal organs. The coMra Palm is designed to be a pleasure to use with soft tactile buttons and an easy-to-use app. The app provides a comprehensive user guide, which contributes to the portability, offers additional support, and adds additional value, wherever and whenever a need arises. Just type in the area you want to treat, and the app quickly lays out the recommended treatment. It's so portable and easy to use, you can take it with you to work or while traveling for drug-free pain relief. If you already have an active lifestyle, it will quickly make it into your backpack for hiking, biking, sightseeing, and other outdoor activities. Once charged, the coMra Palm can be used for several days without the need to recharge, so it's perfect on the go. It comes in 2 colors, warm gray or pearl white. So whatever your lifestyle, the coMra Palm will deliver healing and pain relief wherever you are. Visit coMraPalm.com for more details and purchase instructions.